Now let's talk about primitive types in JavaScript. There are strings, for example ABC. You could use either single quotes or double quotes. Such syntax also works. I personally prefer to use single quotes, but you could use either single quotes or double quotes, doesn't matter, just be consistent. And if you use single quotes, use them everywhere in your application. So that's are strings. Next, there are numbers, for example 10 or 15. Afterwards, there is Boolean value, either true or false. Next, there is undefined, and there is null. Those are primitive types in JavaScript. And if you assign value of primitive type to the variable, for example, using such syntax as const a equals sign 5, then variable a in the memory will actually hold such value 5. You could always verify type of specific value or variable using typeof operator. Let me show you that directly here in the console of the web browser. You could type typeof, and next let's type, for example, ABC. And I see string. Type of this value is string. Let's also verify type of number. I'll get number. Type of true, Boolean, type of undefined, undefined, and type of null is an object. But in reality, null is primitive value. And it is an object in JavaScript here, because sometimes null is referred as reference to the empty object. That's why it was decided to make its type object. But again, in fact, null is primitive value. That's typeof operator.